guys, today we're making some tasty oatmeal. So first let's look at the ingredients. First we have some oats. You can put in a cinnamon stick and some cinnamon. You can put in a cinnamon stick if you like, but we're not gonna do that, that's too big, so you can use cinnamon powder instead. Then you need water, milk, almonds, and a bit of maple syrup. And it'll be ready in 2 minutes. Let's get the water boiling. Turn on the heat and add some water. Carefully. Add the oats. Stir it. Make sure it's properly incorporated. Careful not to spill it. It's already looking pretty good. We need a bit more water because most of it evaporated again. Water trick. Reduce the power. Now comes the fun part. Now we get to add some toppings. Here we have some strawberries. Frozen ones. Maybe an almond. Let's add some cinnamon. Some cinnamon. And of course, some maple syrup. Just a tiny bit. Oh. Perfect. Yummy. That's delicious. There's so much. Now comes the top. Comes the top. Now comes the top. Which one's mine and which one's yours? Can't tell which one you made and which one I made. Why would you say that?